Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on Bitcoin. We will take a look at the 4-hour time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 4-hour in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 4 hours. So all this here may look like a few weeks worth of time. It's actually just the past few days broken down into 4-hour time slices. I like to this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Friendly reminder, Bitcoin is open 24/7, so if you're watching this video 15-20 hours after I upload it, then yeah, the chart may look different to you, but my point here and my goal from the presentation standpoint is to keep this video relevant for as long as possible, and I'm going to accomplish that by talking about more so broader levels and then walking you through some questions, and based on how you answer those questions, that'll dictate the current status of the chart. So now that we have more information and more data and more time that's gone by, the new and very clear kind of apparent level of resistance is going to be right up here at 10,800. So the first question, and let's just use that 15-hour number. Let's say you're watching this video 15 hours from now. Question number one becomes, okay, well, where's the price at relative to 10,800? And the reason this level has become very important, it actually makes good sense when you consider the past history of things. But you can see that the price has, before struggled up around that area right there. And then you look at it from several hours ago there. And then once again was rejected. So by no means am I saying 10,800 can't be broken or anything like that. I'm just saying that apparently, according to the story that's being told to us here via the chart, the price is really going to need to bring it to A game if it's going to be able to not only fight above that level, but also be able to stay up above it. So again, question number one, where's the price at when you're watching this video relative to 10,800? There's a little bit of common sense and gut instincts that comes into place. I mean, if you're saying, well, Clay, the price is slightly up above it, don't get me wrong, that's definitely a good thing. But if you're saying, well, Clay, right now the price is up there at 11,400, that would be telling you that not only has a breakout occurred, but the breakout itself has actually gotten very, very powerful and quite a bit of momentum behind it. So from that angle of things, common sense will take you a long way. Now, if you are answering the question, well, Clay, the price is actually still down below 10,800, the next question would be, okay, well, where's the price at relative to 10,300, which is the value of that green line right there? And if you're answering the question that the price is still up above there, so in other words, below 10,800 but up above 10,300, that just implies, in one word could summarize that there's some form of, just sideways consolidation going on, and there's nothing wrong with that at all. So those are the two main levels, 10,800, 10,300. And then like the upside to the downside, common sense will take you far. I mean, if you're saying, well, Clay, the price is actually slightly below 10,300, don't get me wrong, that's not a good thing, but that's much different than you saying, well, Clay, right now I'm watching this and the price is back down there at 9,600. In that situation, that would be a pretty bearish setup. But like I said, circling back, the two main areas to watch and kind of revolve your questions around 10,800 resistance, 10,300 as support. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.